Today's Frugal Friday video is for the K.dill card wallet. This pattern is on her website, but if you go into her Facebook group, you could do a search for the card wallet and you can get a coupon code to make it free. So if you are not on Facebook but you still want to sew this, you can purchase it. The cost is $5. If you want to get it for free, you will have to go get that code from her Facebook group. If you are already in her Facebook group, you may have seen that she was doing a contest to get this template for free. Well, I really wanted this template. I love to get things for free, so I tried my very best and I won this template. So I'm super excited. This is a really quick, easy, last-minute project. You will need to use a type of non-fraying material, cork, vinyl, probably even waterproof canvas, wax canvas, something that won't fray easily. You would not want to use a cotton woven or a cotton canvas because it would tend to fray over time. What you do is you take this template or the pattern PDF. You can use that template in the pattern. She also has an SVG for it if you have a cutting machine. And then you simply cut out the shape. You only cut out one piece of this out of your material. Now, I do suggest that you use a non-directional print because things will be folded around, and if you use a directional print, part of it will be upside down. The pattern piece and the template has two marks for where you are going to place your snaps. Go ahead and make those marks on your material. I went ahead and used a hole punch to punch those out. I'm fancying up my version just a little bit by adding some cork tags, and I'm going to add a riveted D-ring so I can use this as a wristlet as well. So let's look at the version that I'm making today. I cut my materials out of a cork. This was one of my favorite corks. I only had a little bit left, so I was so excited that it fit for this. I went ahead and sewed on two tags. I went ahead and transferred those snap marks. Now I placed the cam snap onto the side here, but Kathy did say that it is best to wait until after everything's finished, after you do your top stitching, to place this one. You can place this cam snap on either side. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to show you how quick and easy this comes together. The first thing you do is you flip it over so that you're looking at the wrong side. You lift up this bottom piece until it is straight across and it matches both of these corners. Kathy tells you can use some double-sided tape, or I'm going to use some glue to just kind of secure just the sides. You don't want to secure anything in the middle because that's where your cards will go. I don't need a lot of glue. I just need a little bit so that it doesn't shift while I'm sewing it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this side piece, the piece without the can snap, and I'm going to go ahead and pull it over so that it lines up at the bottom and on this side. Then I'll take this other side with the cam snap and I'm going to go ahead and pull it over and do the same thing. It should line up at the bottom and on the side. Show you how this is going to look. Super cute. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to top stitch all around. You don't have to top stitch all around. You could just do the sides and the bottom if you wanted, but I'm going to do the top as well. So I'm going to do top stitching all over. I'm going to make sure that everything is nice and secure. We'll put another clip here at the top. And so this will give you a pocket here that's a little bit bigger. This would be a good pocket for your receipts, for cash, driver's license, things like that. You have a couple other ones for credit cards, business cards, whatever. This would also be really good if you are giving gift cards to people as gifts. You could do this, and so it's a little bit of a cute way to give a gift card, and it's something that they can reuse. So now what I'm going to do, leaving my flap up, I'm going to top stitch all around. The only thing I'll have left to do then is to add my cam snap and my riveted snap. Now I'm going to take out one of these corseted D-rings or a rivet D-ring, whatever you like to call it. And I'm going to attach it so that it's mainly on the inside and just a little bit is poking out on the outside. So you just poke it through and then you have a rivet snap. Now I need to take it over to my press to press it flat. And then I also have my cam snap to attach, so I will attach it and then also take it over to press it. Now on this one, the smooth finished side goes on the outside, but whenever you're doing this piece, you want the unfinished or the snapping part to be on the outside. So we'll go off camera and then I'm going to attach both of these, and when I come back we will look at this finished card wallet. I have both of these pressed into place, so everything looks great. I'm going to shut this, snap it closed. And then I did make a wristlet strap in case you just wanted to carry this as a wristlet. You could do that. You could also attach it to a key ring, or you could just simply put it in your back pocket. It's that skinny and thin to do it. But here is how my finished card wallet looks. This is from K.dill Handmade. It is a free pattern. As you can see, it is a very quick, simple pattern. You can fancy it up by adding some tags. You could even add a woven tag on the side, either side you wanted to do that. So this is just a super cute, fun way to use up some scraps. Nothing serious, nothing difficult about it. You could sit and cut these out and prep them while you're watching a movie and have things to sell at a craft show, or a way to give gift cards if you do something like that. I'm going to have the link for the website and Kathy's Facebook group in my description. As a reminder, you can get the code to get this pattern for free in the Facebook group. Just do a search for the card wallet and you will find that information in there. Thanks for watching another one of my Frugal Friday videos. I know this was a really quick, short one, but sometimes that's what we need in the sewing room, just something fun and quick to create with. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day.